Here you have a Bosch dishwasher. Customer complains that the door comes down and hits the ankles. I find that there is a broken door string that attaches to a spring. Here you are. And this is what it should look like. It goes right through the groove here and attaches in the back. You do get two in a kit, and we're going to go ahead and replace this other side. And now you can see this is what it's supposed to look like once it's reattached. If you like this video, hit that like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.